So what if the reason that you feel so stuck as a career mom right now, trying other things to get unstuck, isn't because you're not working hard enough, but because every side hustle you've looked at asks you to do more when you already have too much on your plate right now? More hours, more tech, more pressure, more time away from the people that you love. Because if you're anything like I was, you've already given everything you have. You're working hard, and still somehow there's this quiet fear that life is moving too fast and you're missing it. I spent years working long hours and missing occasions with my family, moments that I can never get back. And that's why when I found a business model that I could do from anywhere, that I could fit into 2 hours a day, that didn't require me to create products or learn complicated tech or start from scratch, it got my attention. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest online business I found for busy moms in 2026, why it works differently than other side hustles, and what realistic results actually look like, and how it works on automation, even when you're exhausted and busy. And stay until the end, because I'm going to share the biggest mistake I see smart, capable women make when trying to build an online income. And it's usually the reason they quit before they even have a chance for it to work. Here's the truth that nobody talks about. Most side hustles are built for people who already have extra time. They tell you to create a course, write an ebook, build a website, learn funnels, figure out social media, spend months creating something before you even make $1. And maybe if you were 22 with no responsibilities, that would be fine. But when you're a busy mom, maybe still working full time, maybe taking care of aging parents, maybe trying to hold everything together, feeling completely overwhelmed, that model just doesn't fit real life. That's why so many women start something, get excited for a week or two, and then quickly stop. Not because they failed, because the business model failed them. Your business should fit around your life. You should not have to sacrifice your life to build your business. And that was a huge mindset shift for me. Because for years, I thought success meant pushing harder, working more, giving more. But the women who are succeeding online today are not always the smartest or the most experienced. They're the women who choose a simple model, stay consistent, and build around their values. And if your values are family, freedom, peace, and being present, then you need a business model that supports those values. Legacy Builders is a mostly done-for-you digital business. So instead of spending months creating products, you get access to 10 proven digital products that are already created for you, proven and in demand. And you're not sitting up trying to make a course or build a website. You're starting with done-for-you products, done-for-you system, training, tech support, mentorship, and a community of people, 59,000, doing the exact same thing. And when somebody buys one of the products through your link, you keep 100% of the commission. That's why so many women are drawn to this, because they become in profit mode with one sale. You're not reinventing the wheel. You're learning how to share something that already works. This is not a magic button. This is not post once and make $1 million. You still need to show up. You still need to learn. You still need to build trust to your audience. Here's what most people miss. You don't need to know everything before you start. You only need to know enough to help the next person. And that's so comforting to know as a beginner, because I think so many moms stay stuck until they feel confident or more qualified or more ready. But confidence doesn't come first. Action comes first. Then confidence catches up. And that's why inside this business model, you're not expected to become an expert overnight. You simply learn, use what you learn, and share your journey. Tell your story. And it's that approach that allows some beginners to earn their investment back in days with their first sale at 100% profit. After that, they're in profit mode with no monthly expenses. That's what people connect with. Not perfection, not polished, no pretending that you have it all together. People connect with honesty, with heart, with somebody who understands what it feels like to want more, but not want to sacrifice more. You just can't fit it in. And one of the biggest reasons this works for busy moms is because it can fit into a simple 2-hour routine. And no, you don't need 2 hours all at once. You can do 20 minutes in the morning before work, 30 minutes at your lunch break. And here's what that could look like. 60 minutes, normally an hour a day, creating 3 pieces of content. And you'll learn how to do that. 1 short video, 1 post, 1 story. You're not trying to go viral. You're not trying to be perfect. You're just speaking to one person who feels exactly the same way you do. something that connects with your audience. People don't buy because you explained everything. They buy because they felt understood by you. The next 30 minutes, have conversations and follow up with your audience. Reply to comments, message people who are asking questions, follow up with people who watched your story. And you're not going to be pushy. You're not trying to convince. You're simply sharing information because you're not chasing people. They come looking for you through your content. So that means your job is not to pressure. Your job is just to listen and provide information. So if somebody leaves a comment saying, I want more information, and you never follow up, you're leaving an opportunity on the table. So that's why it's so important to do follow-up, because the fortune really is in your follow-up. In the last 30 minutes, post free ads as a beginner, and we show you exactly how to do that. And once you get more comfortable, you can go live instead. Going live is a good way to make sure that people know you're not a bot or an AI robot in today's world. So basically, we're learning as you're earning. Maybe today you learn how to write a better hook. Maybe tomorrow you'll learn how to tell your story. Maybe next week you'll learn how to create a simple email. We provide an email series for you as well, because it's not just about making money. You're building skills that can change your life in this business. You're becoming the kind of person who knows how to communicate, how to market, how to connect with your audience, and create opportunities online. And that identity shift is so powerful. Now let's talk honestly about the money, because I never want to give you false hope. I want to help you think like a business owner. You may have heard people talk about making $900 a day or even $1,400 a day, and that can happen. But those numbers come from selling higher ticket digital products with 100% commission from this business. And for example, if you earn $900 from one product that we provide, sell 2 of those products in a day, that's $1,800. If you earn $300 from one of our products, it may take you 4 or 5 sales to make that much. The important thing is not the exact number. The important thing is understanding that you do not need thousands of people to make that kind of money. You need the right people that you attract. You don't need a huge audience. You need a clear message, because if your content speaks directly to the busy mom, in my case, who is tired, overwhelmed, and desperate for another way, the right people will hear you. And when you stay consistent, those little acts start to build. One post becomes 5, becomes 50. One conversation becomes a sale, and that sale becomes belief, and belief changes the way that you show up. And that's when your momentum starts in your business. And yes, there are people inside of our community that are making 6 and 7 figures. There are members making their first 100, first 900, consistent daily sales. But the people who succeed are not usually the ones who know the most. They are the ones who stay consistent. They keep showing up for their business. They keep learning, they keep believing before they see the proof, and especially after. If you take nothing else from this video, take this. Don't build your business in a way that steals the life that you're trying to create. You don't need another job. You don't need more hustle. You don't need to spend every evening staring at a laptop while your family is in the next room. This is the reason why you're doing this. You need a simple plan. You need a supportive community. You're not behind. You're not too old. You're not too busy. You just need the right vehicle. So the most attractive feature of this business model is the automation. And what I mean by that is the system is set up to work when you don't have to. Your job is to attract like-minded customers to your website, or your domain as we call it, with your social media content. They then enter their email that automatically takes them to a short video by our founder that introduces the business. And then they receive an email from you with a more in-depth explanation of the business and options to join at various investment levels that are comfortable to them. This can vary from 100, 300, 600, 900, or 1,400, reflecting the cost of each product. And they receive the master resale rates to each of those products that provide them with 100% commission on the resale of it. The business can truly work for anybody, no matter what situation they're in, as long as they're coachable and willing to follow along. It's all on automation with email series connected to each client as well. So we help you attract the customer that is a version of you. And for me, that would be a career mom who wants more time with her family. Remember that your life experience, that's not a weakness. It's a reason that people can trust you. For the busy mom, it's the years that you spent working full-time, caring for somebody else, managing a home, solving problems, showing up even when you are tired. Those are the exact skills that can make you a successful online business owner. If this sounds like what you've been looking for, we've created a free blueprint that walks you through exactly how this business works, what the products are, and the simple steps to get you started. The link is in the description below. And if this video helps you, please like and subscribe. It truly helps other moms find this video. What is one moment or one dream or one part of your life that you want more time for? Because for me, that answer changed everything and helped me commit to having my own online digital business.